Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing very well. Uh, children, let's start our class with news headlines. And the news headlines are what? And the news headlines are
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the new headlines are FIR against former MP CM Kamalnath, 8 others for violating COVID rules.
okay. Only one. What is the next one? At least two news should be there.
Ma'am, so Pulkit will tell or I will only tell?
Anyone of you can tell
Ma'am,
me.
I can tell again.
Tell it.
Yes, ma'am. Mm. Ma'am, Tokyo. Ma'am, in Tokyo, India and US agree to review efforts to combat coronavirus, advance security in the Indo-Pacific.
Good. So, children, hence we got two news headlines here. And I think all you have to participate at least in the news headlines, है ना? Yesterday we discussed on the topic. कौन से टॉपिक में डिस्कस किया था कल हमने? रूलिंग कंट्री साइड है ना? And today we will discuss all. I am going to provide worksheet of it. First of all, one by one, raise your hand and tell the answer. I'm not going to unmute all of you all together. Fine. Yes, Chaitanya.
मैम कल आपने वो होमवर्क शीट दी थी ना पोर्टल में मैम बट मैम इट वाज नॉट अपलोडेड मैम आई सॉ
Hmm.
इट वाज नॉट
I know, beta. I know. Later on, I will tell about that. है ना?
ओके
So, shall we start the class? I'm going to share your screen here and you will raise your hand one by one or all together. Then I will call the name and the student will answer. Fine. Is it clear to all of you? So, here is the worksheet. This is your worksheet. When was Diwani of Bengal granted to the East India Company? When was Diwani of the Bengal granted to the East India Company? Please raise your hand once again. Only Chaitanya will answer. Rest all will. Yes, Chaitanya.
मैम इन 1700
Only 1700. Hmm. What could be the right answer? Bhumika, wrong answer. 1793 is wrong answer. Pulkit,
1765, ma'am.
right answer. Yes,
यस
1765 is the right answer. So all of you put your hands down. Now, during the Mughal rule, what was the status of Diwani? Or in a simple sentence, we can say this. Explain the Diwani system. Pahel, Vedya will tell the answer. Yes, Pahel. Only Chaitanya and Pulkit are there now. So I am unmuting both of you.
हाँ यस मैम द सिस्टम ऑफ दीवानी in the Mughal period, ma'am, it was such that, ma'am, the zamindars had to collect the tax from all the the landholder, the people who had land, who had means huts or homes. So zamindar went to their home and then collect tax and all. This happened in the Diwani system.
Okay. So the next one is Laksh. You want to tell the same answer? Something else want to add here? Yes, Laksh.
Ma'am, I raised hand for next answer.
What is this? हाँ ऐसे थोड़ी होता है.
Sorry, ma'am.
आप लोग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ लो फिर. कोई नहीं बेटा, सॉरी बोलने की बात नहीं है. When did company introduce permanent settlement? Yes, Laksh, now answer. When did company introduce permanent settlement? Laksh?
Yes, ma'am. The permanent settlement was introduced in 1793.
In
1793.
in region. In which region?
Uh, ma'am, in
पहल
don't know, ma'am.
पहल
Ma'am, I am only knowing the year.
गलत बात. भूमिका
Ma'am, the permanent settlement was finally introduced in 1793 in Bengal
by
by Lord Cornwallis.
yes. The answer should be in this manner. कोई नहीं. I asked only one question, but कुछ भी हो सकता है ना related to permanent settlement. You should know
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the things.
If it would be of 2 marks, then this much is okay. The when
Okay. Next one is make a flow chart to show all the system introduced by British rule. How now what you have to do? You need to make a flow chart. How you will make a flow chart? How will you make a flow chart, children? First of all, what we need to do is
Ma'am, firstly we will write all the means agri agricultural settlement. Like these 3 settlements: permanent,
it is visible. Is this visible? Say yes or no. Is it visible, Laksh? आप लोगों को दिख रहा है जो मैं बोर्ड में बना रही हूँ? भूमिका ये दिख रहा है बेटा? So here we will write what permanent settlement. I am not writing full form ना, फिर नहीं तो फिर ये दिखेगा नहीं. Second was what? Second was what was the second settlement? बढ़िया है, चुपचाप बैठे रहो सब. हाँ, what was the second settlement? Why only these few children are raising hand? Why don't you all of you are raise your hand? Pehal?
Ma'am, Alwari settlement.
Yes, Mahalwari settlement. Mahalwari. And what is the next one?
Monroe system
Munro
or
or Jyotlari system, है ना? I am only Munro writing here Munro, okay? So, if the question is for 1 mark, now listen to me carefully. If the question is for 1 mark, this much flow chart is enough. Clear? If it is for 2 or 3 marks, what we need to write here? एक और यहाँ पे लाइन खींचेंगे. We will write about what it is introduced in 1793 by Cornwallis, Mahalwari Lord Macanaz in North India, Munro, Thomas Munro in South India.
and
If the question is for 5 marks, so उसके नीचे एक और लाइन बनाएंगे. आपको लिखना है कि what is permanent settlement, what is Mahalwari system and what is Munro system. Is it clear to all of you children?
yes, ma'am.
I am asking to all. Is it clear to all of you? Thank you, Pulkit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, next question. Next question is, what were the ambitious plan for the East India Company? What were the ambitious plans of the East India Company? बताइए. Now raise your hand. I am waiting for your answer, children. Rashi will tell. Yes, Rashi. Rashi, please tell, beta. I think she is unable to unmute herself. Okay, Pulkit.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, the East India Company
They
wanted to
sent to
colonize the countryside and organize the revenue.
Bas. Only they were organizing revenue.
It, ma'am, its priority was
Yes, Bhumika is also saying that was to take huge revenue, and they were introduced what? For an existing policy, doctrine of labs
doctrine of labs and subsidiary alliance.
and subsidiary alliance. Yes.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
again, children, please pay attention here. Now, again, what were the ambitious plans of the East India Company? Now, चलो एक बार के लिए हम लेते हैं. This question is for 1 mark. और वन वर्ड आंसर. तो आप लोगों ने लिख दिया रेवेन्यू, फुल मार्क्स. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज फॉर 3 marks. Need to write all 3 points with explanation. If the question is for 5 marks, then what need to do? हमको सब कुछ लिखना है. ह्यूज taxation policy. What were the taxation policy? All these 3: permanent, Munro and Mehalwari system, then doctrine of lapse, then subsidiary alliance. And we need to explain this at least 2 lines for each if the question is for 5 marks. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Mic is on. Please, mic is on. Please, अपना mic off करिए. Okay. Now, the next question is, what were the 2 major system of indigo cultivation of India? Yes, I think all the hands should be raised. Not few children. I want all the hands should be raised. Pulkit is saying here, Nij and Jyoti system is right answer. Now I'm going to unmute Gunjan. Gunjan, bolo answer. Hey, what is this? आप लोग चुपचाप बैठे रहते हो. Deep, Jinal, Keshav, ultimately Naman.
Yes, ma'am. Niche cultivation and Rayoti.
Roti. It's not Rayoti, it's Jyoti system. Yes.
System. Ma'am, I want that Munro system is also known as Rayotwari or Rayot. Means Rayoti system.
Ryotiwari system, not Rayoti system. It's Ryotiwari system, है ना? What was the outcome of Blue Rebellion? What was the outcome of Blue Rebellion? What was the outcome of Blue Rebellion? What is this, children? Am I doing this for me? Yes, Bhumika?
Ma'am, I was saying that with Thomas Munro, can you tell me the name with Thomas Munro who introduced Munro system? And one more thing I'll just tell the name of the.
What I'm asking?
That was Red something. The surname was Red.
I'm not getting, Bhumika, what you're telling, beta.
Ma'am, with Thomas Munro, someone else also made na Monroe
But
system.
they have to introduce the thing, but no need. I told you that Thomas Munro is enough. That's why, है ना? And please go through
No,
the.
ma'am.
हाँ, let me tell.
The
Please
other,
go.
the
बेटा बोलने दो ना बेटा. Please go and check the portal. The notes is already there. All the names are there. Okay. Okay, Chaitanya, tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, outcome of Blue Rebellion was that, ma'am, first of women and men swore that they will not work for British. Ma'am, the men took guns, words, lathis, and chura, like all as their fighting equipment, and women took kitchen utensils like pan and kadhai. As a result, Britisher had to stop uh, these peasants from cultivating indigo.
Yes. As resulted, what had happened? British had to make a commission, that is indigo commission, and according to this, the planters, those who had not want to grow indigo, they will not grow. Yeah. We need to write all
And
the.
ma'am, also I one thing want to add, ma'am, like ma'am, in this, like they no sign that we will work for them, some official which came from British in this Indian land, for means renting land and appointing these
Yes.
peasant for growing. So these peasant, ma'am, they were, ma'am, innocent, so ma'am, they signed the form that we will work for them. So
Hmm.
British told that you need not work for them, you
Ah.
just have to complete this last round of your agreement,
Yes,
and
those who
then
has already signed the
you can
contracts, they
discontinue.
will complete the last contract, then need not to go with this particular contract. Okay, excellent.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next question is, when did the Blue Rebellion break out? Only year is needed here. When did the
Ma'am,
Blue
can I
Rebellion?
tell?
Let me give chance to others, then after you will tell. Okay, Laksh?
ma'am in March 1859.
Yes, right answer in March 1859. What were the main features of niche system of cultivation? Niche system of cultivation, yesterday I told you niche is a Hindi term, means own. And Ryoti means field. So,
No, no, can I tell?
who want to tell here?
I.
Wait, let me check. Anyone else want to tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, I want to tell.
Mm, okay, one thing. Niche system Chaitanya will tell and Ryoti system Laksh will tell. है ना? Both of you are unmuted
Okay,
and
ma'am.
both of you will tell. Okay, beta.
Yes.
Now tell.
Ma'am, in niche cultivation, ma'am, is some people like they can mean like the British, ma'am, in the niche cultivation, the British told that we will not cultivate land, and then they gave money loans to the mean farmer, and then they had to work for this Britisher. Then, ma'am, regular check on measurement of land, the daily basis of irrigation was happening or not, etc. happened, and lathias were there, ma'am. Like if they do not follow the rules and terms and condition of British, so the lathias will beat them with a stick.
Okay. Now, Laksh, you tell about the Yoti system.
And then
Ma'am,
tax collection also happened from face to face tax collection.
Good girl. Pahal is a very good girl. I just sent sent a message. He's on your video, all of you. Only Pahal where has on her video, and rest of you are not responding. I will also not respond your chatting. Now, yes, Laksh.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Roti system was done by the Ryots, and in Roti system, the Ryots has to sign a contract, and the planters give a loan to the Ryots, and ma'am, after taking the loan,
Yes.
Ma'am, after taking the loan, they wish to grow indigo. Means the riots.
Fine. So the next question is थोड़ा सा फास्ट करेंगे ना. नीज हो गया, ये हो गया राइट द मेथड ऑफ प्रोड्यूसिंग इंडिगो डाई. ये तो आप लोग को लेट इट. नेक्स्ट वन इज when did the blue rebellion break out? हो गया ना. What
Can I tell
were
this one?
the,
I know, ma'am, answer.
एक मिनट
Ma'am,
बेटा,
please.
wait चैतन्य. What were the benefits reaped by the East India Company as the Diwani of Bengal? When they got
Yes,
the
ma'am. Now I
Diwani
am
of
answering.
Bengal, what happened? What was the benefit to the to British? Naman will tell the answer. Yes, Naman.
Ma'am, they got the right to collect the revenue as they become the Diwani of Bengal. So they get the right to collect revenue of the Bengals.
Bas, this much only.
Ma'am, up to I
Yes.
can tell you.
हाँ. Yes, चैतन्य बोलो.
Ma'am, first so they got the Diwani of Bengal. Ma'am, ma'am, it was their benefit and ma'am, they became
Point.
Diwan of Bengal. Ma'am, they can trade also duty free. Then ma'am, they can collect tax, and they did not have to pay any more tax to means like Nawab and all. So ma'am, these were the profit.
Ma'am, can I tell one more?
And can I tell
Benefit
when the Indigo it break out Blue Rebellion?
already told by Laksh na. Yes,
Ma'am,
Laksh.
can I tell?
हाँ, Laksh बोलो.
What, ma'am?
You wanted to,
Okay, ma'am.
you wanted to say na.
Ma'am, I want to say, ma'am, as Diwan means Mughal became the Diwan of the company. Uh, uh, the chief financial administration of the territory under their control.
Okay, Bhumika.
Ma'am, I want to answer the question 13th answer.
Wait. Now the question number 13, Bhumika will answer. Yes, read the question and tell the answer.
Why did British want to grow indigo plant in India? British want to grow indigo plant in India. Want to grow indigo plant in India because the climate is also grown well for indigo plantation, as indigo needs warm climate which is not found every time in Europe, and the indigos are produced by the farmers were less costlier than they purchase from Europe, means they purchase the indigo in lesser value, in decreased value from the workers or the poor farmers, and they sell the indigos in Europe in a high rate. They get a great commission.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I tell something?
Something,
Ma'am, can I?
something is missing there. Something is missing.
Yes, ma'am, can I tell?
Please.
Ma'am, the British, ma'am, therefore they came to India, then started cultivating the indigo crop. And ma'am, because the British region, the England had, ma'am, tropical climate. Sorry, not tropical, the temperate climates,
Yes.
and which was not suitable for growing indigo. The tropical climate was best for growing indigo, for the best production of indigo. Therefore,
And
and the British are, ma'am, first, why did they start cultivating indigo? Ma'am, because there was the same type of means crop which is known as wood, but it was not as much rich blue color producing as
Yes,
indigo.
I was
It
just
has very
waiting for
pale
this
and dull
point.
color.
The Indian indigo were rich in color, है ना?
And when the British market also bustled with this indigo so much, they loved it.
Yes. Something else anyone want to add here?
Ma'am, I want to tell, ma'am, Bhumika was telling that it needed warm climate, means warm temperature, which was not much time. Ma'am, it is not much time. Ma'am, never warm climate and suitable climate is found in temperate zones for
Hmm.
growing indigo.
Yes, you can write here the suitable climate to grow indigo is found only in India here. And the second thing was the color. Don't forget to write about the rich color of Indian indigo. है ना? Whole European country was fond of Indian indigo. That's why. है ना? Why they were fond of this Indian indigo? Because in the European country, textile India industries were at the peak. सबसे ज्यादा इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन हुआ था तो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज का हुआ था यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में. Okay, shall we move towards the next question? And the next question is, give a brief description of Rayot-Tiwari system. You need to write all the points here about the Rayot-Tiwari system. Who introduced, when introduced, why introduced. Okay. So already we discussed all the things about the Rayot-Tiwari system. Yeah, already we introduced all the things about the Rayot-Tiwari system. So again and again we will not repeat the same. है ना? What were the findings of the Indigo Commission? Now you need to tell
Ma'am,
about.
what is mean of finding?
अरे, what was the outcome? क्या
अच्छा,
मिला?
outcome.
ना Indigo Commission
Ma'am, can you
क्या
repeat
मिला?
question?
What were the findings of the Indigo Commission?
Commission mean?
अरे चैतन्य क्या बोल रहे हो आप बेटा? क्या हुआ था when Blue Rebellion was there, है ना? When Blue Rebellion break out, what was the outcome of it?
Ma'am, the British, ma'am, they stopped forcing Indian cultivator for growing indigo.
Finally, no.
As
First
ma'am,
of
if
all, you
they,
have to tell कि British have to make a commission for indigo rebellious.
हाँ.
है ना? That's why Queen Victoria had to came India. And then after tell about what was this commission, है ना? About this commission, what was the result of this commission? कहाँ गया? नमन hand raise किया था विगायब. Yes, Naman.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in March 1859, thousands of riots in Bengal refused to grow indigo. As the rebellion spread, riots refused to pay rents to the planters
Yes.
and attacked indigo factories armed with the swords and spears.
So what was the result of Indigo Commission?
Ma'am, the British gave me like the Queen Victoria had the
Ma'am?
Wait, one by one.
supreme. The British crown was means the most supreme power. Queen Victoria have afterwards this rebellion.
Ma'am, now may I tell?
Yes.
Queen Victoria didn't came to India. She gave a farman from Europe that the person the poor peoples cannot be forced to grow indigo, and
बेटा don't tell
the
poor
95.
people. Tell एक मिनट भूमिका. Poor people मत बोलो. यहाँ पे use word peasants or the farmers or the
Peasant.
cultivators, है ना?
Yes, ma'am. And in 1959, a famine was spread in Bengal. So 10 million people were died due to that famine.
Yes. So
Oh,
these were the.
worry.
हाँ. Yes, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, but ma'am, ma'am, but how did this famine occur, ma'am? There was the food, means cultivator was still there.
No. Due to the
taxes
natural
was so much
calamities.
of-
Due to the
Acha.
natural calamities, famine was there. That time the peasants were only dependent on monsoon, है ना? And that time monsoon failed. Unfortunately, monsoon failed. And one more thing, famine, the main reason was not monsoon. The main reason was people were not able to, just because of suppression nature of British, they were not able to grow food crops. They had to grow cash crop and they had to sell it in a very less price to the British, like cotton, tea, coffee, opium, indigo. ये सारी चीजें वो लोग उगाते थे और इन सारी चीजों को बहुत कम रेट में ब्रिटिश उनसे खरीद लेती थी, और वो जो रेट मिलता था वो बेचारे उसमें टैक्स ही पटाते रह जाते थे। उससे वो क्या करेंगे, अपनी फैमिली चलाएंगे, अपने बच्चों को खाना खिलाएंगे कि जिंदा रहेंगे। सो दीज वर द टू मेन रीजन ऑफ फेमाइन। एक तो मॉनसून फेल हुआ, दूसरा दीज आर द मेन रीजन। फाइन, सो दिस मच ओनली। और ये इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ था, इंडिगो रिबेलियन हुआ था, और जिसका आउटकम क्या हुआ था, एज जस्ट भूमिका, नमन एंड ऑल टोल्ड। सो children, is there any more doubt in this chapter? Please don't ask me meaning, beta. Now you people are growing enough, you should know all about Naman. I will not tell the meaning of Latyals. What is the meaning of Latyal, children? Yesterday I told you. Why don't you see the video? I don't know. Why don't you people go through the portal? So if you have any doubt, please text me. We have 5 minutes in our hand, so you can ask. You can ask. I'm waiting, children. You can text me. And tomorrow we will discuss what? Next chapter of history only. Fine. Next chapter of history. After history, we will start geography, then political science. And at the last, I will repeat map work. We will revise about the map work. Okay? Is it okay, children? So tomorrow we will discuss chapter 4, then chapter 5, then geography, then civics, then map work. No issue, beta. If I don't have tomorrow class, so next class, whatsoever be my next class, okay? Don't you worry about. And if you have any doubt, please go through the portal. All the videos are there. Regarding map practice, videos are there. Okay? आप एक बार वीडियो को बार बार प्ले करके देखो, आपको सारी चीजें समझ में आ जाएंगी. Fine. So anyone else want to say something about this chapter? Only regarding this chapter. No one? No one wants to say anything? Yes, Bhumika? Bolo?
Ma'am, but opium, how it is grown in India?
Grown
So
means?
it's a drink now.
Grown means? Britishers forced to grow जैसे इंडिगो उगाते थे ना, वैसे ही ओपियम के लिए इनको फोर्स किया जाता था, है ना. पीपल वर फोर्स टू ग्रो इंडिगो, सॉरी ओपियम. एंड ओपियम को सेल किया जाता था यूरोपियन कंट्री में, बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड थी उसकी. ओके. Actually, Lathyals were the person, those who were the too much tall with the means thick lathis in their hand. They were the appointed by the Britishers to give threaten to the people. ठीक है. कोई भी आदमी, हट्टा कट्टा आदमी आ जाए जिसके हाथ में मोटा सा डंडा हो, तो बेचारा गांव का जो गरीब किसान हो तो ऐसे डर जाएगा. क्यों उनको अपॉइंट किया जाता था? दे वर अपॉइंटेड टू कलेक्ट रेवेन्यू और टू मीन्स क्या बोलना चाहिए, इंडिगो प्लांटेशन की देख रेख करने के लिए कि लोग प्रॉपरली उगा रहे हैं कि नहीं, उसके ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. गॉट इट, नमन? सो दे वर द लठियाल्स. Fine, children, for today this much only. Tomorrow again we will continue with our history chapter. So it's my humble request, ये मेरा आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है, मेरा ऑर्डर है, प्लीज एक बार एनसीईआरटी बुक पूरा पढ़ लीजिए. गॉट इट? एंड जिनको लग रहा है मैप वर्क में बहुत ज्यादा डाउट है, प्लीज सी माय वीडियो एंड टुमारो आई विल आस्क अबाउट द मैप वर्क टू. किसने किसने वीडियो देखा? फाइन, बाय, गॉड ब्लेस यू.